it good?
Yeah, we're just gonna do a little fire tonight, and we're gonna roast a few marshmallows and have a little, you know, a little bonding time with the
Can
girls.
put marshmallows in the chocolate.
We've got a few sparkles for them as well, which I'm gonna get in a minute.
Put those ones.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna go put them in there. Yeah, I'll just start it up.
Why, Daddy, do we need to put that thingy in?
You'll see in a minute. Why do you think? Just trying to put as much wood as we can on there, so when we light it, we don't have to put no more wood on there. So that the fire is nice and sparking. There we go.
We got fire. Wow.
It feels so warm here.
Warm?
Yeah. It's too hot for me.
Yeah, so basically we're gonna get the girls to do some marshmallow, roast it over the
Roasting?
fire so that they could enjoy themselves, eat it.
Oh gosh, I need to get a little bit closer.
You're going to do one for me?
You know you wanted one?
Don't get to chew, because if you get it burned, that's yours. You need to still eat it.
Eat it like this.
You good?
See, you see?
Let me see it. Okay.
Still didn't get burned.
You go over the fire like this, Kilo.
But this. It just
Don't
feels
touch your skin. You
scared.
see, don't touch yours. It's really hot. Come on, Kilo, put it over the fire. Come, put it there, put it. You're a big girl. You shouldn't be scared.
That's because
It's fire. What do you mean? She shouldn't be scared.
we used to do a little bit of fire, but I don't like big fire.
Okay.
Mmm. Does it taste? Ooh, look at that.
You see, have yours. Yours is fine now, Kissy. Have yours.
The fire's turning. What does it taste like, Kissy?
Smells like fish.
Tastes like what? Crisp? What? What does it taste like to you, Kira?
It really tastes like normal marshmallow, but
Softer, innit?
yeah, softer. You need the one for me? But this time I'm gonna roast it. Huh?
Kissy, you enjoying it? Look at your mouth. Look at your mouth. You messy baby. Look at your mouth. Say cheese. Ooh, thank you.
We double? Double. Why is it at the bottom? White and pink. I want white and doubles. Double, double. Guys, need to wait for your marshmallows to come. Then it's going to come on.
Yeah, look, the fire's going down now. It's getting smaller.
Let me just
Do you want to put it in a little bit more? Put it on the bit that's still light, baby.
They're mine.
Good girl, well done.
You have to do it like this. It's hot, Kissy, okay?
Mmm.
It's really hot.
Tuck in. Is it hot, Kissy?
not that hot for me.
Excel's mouth.
Did it need some more wood?
Well, once it goes out, we're gonna just
Leave it.
leave it. Yeah.
Let the deer.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Got some sparkle, so we're gonna light it in the fire.
In the.
I'm gonna go first so that they could see what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing, you see.
Excel's running.
There's so much.
Kissy, get ready.
That's what it looked like at school. So you could sometimes write your name, but don't move it any closer to you.
What do you think, you see?
Good. It looks kind of like twinkling stars
Yeah, it does.
when it comes out and then it pops away. I'm going to do the grey one now.
Come on, Kizzy, here, hold it.
The grey one.
Are you going to hold it?
K. K. E.
Just hold it, just hold it. It's gonna go out, it's gonna go out. Just hold it. You see, it's gone. Last one.
Okay, I got it.
She's still scared.
Yeah.
Again. See, look, it's not gonna hurt you. Everything. It's getting that head.
This is the end of it with the girls.
And bye, guys. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle.
There's no sit.
Let me stand.
Yeah, as I say, this is the end of it. The girls enjoy it, especially because there was marshmallows and sparkle and fire. But that don't mean that you guys have to play with fire, okay? It's dangerous.
Okay, I said don't play with fire.
That's good. But hope you guys enjoy it. I did.
Of course,
Look at-
eh?
Look at this one. Still eating. Look at her mouth. Say bye.
Bye.